Okay. Okay. What is happening? It's gone a time ago that when I was recording. What is happening with my throat? I think there's a cough that is stuck in my throat, and that causes a lot of tension for me. And suddenly, this happens when you drink some cold water and some drinks, cold drinks, and just like that. But initially in India, our tradition is very different because you follow different cultures, and this is the main reason that you never ever leave your culture, because the thing that I've said, that your heart is connected towards the thing that you love the most, so you never ever able to leave that thing easily. I even sacrificed the school that where I take the admission. So admission means that I have given a test. So while giving a test, I got the marks for the admission, but suddenly I can't able to resist. Okay, sorry. Okay, let me speak it in a flow. So I can't resist. What's happening? What? I can't able to resist. I can't resist to go to another school. So that's why where I was living in the 4 p.m. time, where it is of 4 p.m. time. So I live here. I live there because you know that because I sacrifice because I'm living with that place. I'm living in that place. So that's why I'm connected 2 years ago, and just suddenly this happened. So see you guys in the next video. So I will meet you in afternoon. So bye bye.